Airbnb versus long-term rental, what Tucson homeowners need to know. If you're still renting your Tucson home long-term, you're probably leaving thousands on the table. Let's break down the difference between long-term tenants and running a profitable short-term rental. Hi, I'm Mike Scarbrough with Discover Tucson. I manage vacation rentals all over the city, and I've helped homeowners switch from long-term tenants to short-term guests with amazing results. So let's compare both options side by side. Number one, income potential. Let's start with the obvious, cash flow. A long-term tenant might bring in $2,000 a month. That same property on Airbnb, depending on the season and location, it could bring in $3,500, maybe $4,000, sometimes more. And that's not hype, that's real. Especially during gem show, spring training, U of A events, snowbird season, you name it. Number two, property condition. Here's the myth. Short-term guests will trash your house. Not true, if it's managed right. With professional cleaning after every stay, STRs are actually in better condition than homes that go untouched for 12-month leases. Think about it. I've walked into long-term rentals after move-outs. It's not always pretty. Number three, flexibility. With long-term leases, you're locked in. With vacation rentals, you can block off dates for your personal use. You can sell the home without waiting on a lease to expire, or you can pivot your strategy at any time. More control, more options. Number four, risk management. Yes, with STRs, there's more activity, but there's also more oversight. We see what's happening every few days. With long-term rentals, issues can go unnoticed for months. And if your tenant stops paying, good luck getting them out quickly. Number five, guest screening and insurance. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO offer solid guest protections, but I also have STR-specific insurance and guest screening tools that go way beyond anything you'd get with a basic long-term lease. So if you're still holding on to that long-term rental model, hoping for decent rent, praying for a good tenant, it might be time to rethink it. When I manage a short-term rental, I handle everything: setup, design, cleaning, guest communication, pricing, compliance. You just collect your share of the profit. How easy is that? I'm Mike with Discover Tucson. Want to compare what your home could make as a vacation rental? Reach out. I'll run the numbers for you. We'll go over them together.